HP does firmware updates to block you from using aftermarket printer cartridges. You have the right to choose. When using aftermarket cartridges, your printer may tell you your cartridges are empty. We guarantee your new cartridges are full. After every cartridge is filled, it is weighed to meet OEM specifications and then is print tested. Here's how to clear the ink level indicator notification when installing your new cartridges. Once replaced, your printer will begin its process to identify the new cartridges. When the cartridges have been identified, you'll receive an empty cartridge notification. At this point, just hit OK. Another notice will appear that these were original cartridges. Hit OK again. Now you should be ready to print. Most printers will display an empty ink cartridge warning after installing new cartridges. We guarantee your cartridges are full. All you need to do is press OK to clear the warnings to print with your new cartridges. Thank you again for purchasing Doorstep ink cartridges and supporting U.S. remanufacturing.